No, I don't think so.
Teams.
Is Rohit on leave today?
No, he's coming late.
Oh, okay. Okay.
His tire got a hole in it.
Oh, okay. Stop. By the way, I got the extension.
Oh, great.
Yeah, thanks. So for the view invoice screen, the for person name will be only visible to the guest.
Yeah, and it should switch between the ghost username and the block username.
The ghost using, so if a guest is seeing that, okay, okay, got it. And the host will not see it.
Access the first name, last name of the block user. And first name, last name of the ghost user.
Ghost user.
And when we're creating the ghost user, we're almost always enforcing first name, last name, right?
Yeah. Right.
And did you another thing that's missing right now is the what do you call
manually creating the ghost user?
Yeah. Is that done yet?
Not exactly. I mean, the code is there. I just have to put it in the right place. Okay, so. I'll see. Hello. And good morning.
Yo, you're at the office?
Yeah.
How's your car?
Sorry.
What happened to your car?
Okay. Yeah, the tire got punctured.
Is it fixed now?
That's right. Yeah.
What did they do? They came in and manually fixed it with the
No,
punch.
it
I'm hearing you twice.
was just a normal puncture. Oh, wait. I'll just mute myself. Yeah. Sorry.
What'd you say?
So, a puncture shop was nearby.
I'm still hearing you twice.
A puncture shop was nearby.
Oh, that's convenient.
Yeah. Lucky I am left text. Hello.
1 second.
Yeah.
Ritik,
Yes, Nick.
I need to restart my VS Code and everything in my server, so it's gonna turn off.
Okay, okay. So, you want me to take over the Ngrok server? Or?
No, I'll get back online, but
Okay, okay.
there's something wrong. I gotta restart my computer.
Is the app ready for RSVPs?
Yeah, it's been ready for the last 2 months for that.
So if can we have like a custom? If I set up the Neon Valley parties that are coming next month, will it be able to display like a discount for? So the thing is, what I want them to see is that if they get on the app and post content, then they have a chance to get a refund basically, or like a cash back of the ticket that they're going to buy.
We can manually see who posted and just give them cash
No,
back.
but I want them to see that as well, as in like marketed it to them. As soon as they click on the event, they can see it.
You can put it in the description.
I was gonna read it, like a pop-up almost. Because you know how tutorials work when you visit a new app?
Okay, I can put a pop-up that says like when they buy the ticket after they come back, I can say like
Well, just RSVP, just while they RSVP, they get just a pop-up that if you post content on this app.
But what does RCB mean? Are they gonna pay there or both?
Yes, they're gonna pay on the gate, not on the app, on the gate.
So they're just RSVPing.
Yes, but once they end up doing that and they post content, next time we'll make them pay online. So,
Okay. Give me a specific set of requirements. I'll figure it out.
so what pop-up it should be?
No, just use very clean English and create a document for me on Notion about exactly what you want, and then I'll design something. All right, guys, look at this. So people in my organization, they use this thing to keep track of their overall thoughts, and then they store their documents here. But this is kind of like a summary for those documents. So like today, I'm working on this issue with Stripe. Now you mentioned this, so I mentioned it in my journal. But look how my journal's formatted: what I need to do, what I am doing, what I did today, what I need to do tomorrow, things I need to think about, thoughts, external critique. Now I added this just because you mentioned it to me. So what I need you to do is I want you to create a document here and clearly define your requirements.
The blog journal. The blog journals, okay. The blog journals. Yeah. the group chat creation feature that you were talking about, like in Snapchat,
Mm-hmm.
were you working on that or did you leave it?
I haven't developed it yet. If you whatever you want, just define it.
I'm
And
writing it down. Okay, how is this?
Okay.
yeah,
Have you seen the designs?
no, not right now. I'm working on something else.
Okay.
Send them to me on. Create a document that explains it. Holy shit. That's not bad. Hey, Rohit, I want to show a total earnings number on the wallet screen.
So,
Total
earning.
Create a nice looking total earnings widget on the wallet screen. Okay, what did you want to show me before? Actually, don't show. I don't care. Just show me. Where's the wallet screen? Yeah.
Like I have updated the contract screen.
I'll take a look at that in a second. But come over here to finance tab. Put like another card above here, something that says total earnings, lifetime earnings. Okay.
Okay. Do you want it similar or?
Huh?
Do you want that card? Do you want that card to be similar with those two cards?
I don't know. Figure it out.
Hello, Neil.
Yeah.
I've made this thing clear, but I have a doubt regarding
You made what thing where?
regarding the visibility of this widget. So if I'm the owner of this invoice, so will I be seeing this? No, right?
No.
And not even as a participant, only the guest who is not a part of the invoice will see it.
If you're not the owner, you don't see. You see it. If you are the owner, you don't see it.
Okay, so only the owner will not see it.
Yes.
And rest everyone else will.
Does this Diwakar Sharma have a icon, a profile icon?
Yeah. Yeah.
Does it work when there's an image there?
Oh, so you want the okay, got it. So only the ghost user will have this icon.
Or a user without an icon,
Okay.
right?
User without an icon will be like will have the default image like we show.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Done. By the way, I'm not able to access Notion properly
Why?
for some reason. It says that I'm a guest, which is weird.
So what's it saying?
And request access, request membership, something like that.
Is it asking you to pay or something?
No, it's not asking me to pay, but like it's asking me to request for membership or send a request
For which ones?
for the block 1 year.
You have full access to the whole system, so maybe you're using the wrong
Yeah.
link.
This is weird. Maybe it's just the issue of it's probably some bug in Notion.
Are you using the Torana Inc. email?
Yes. You see, this section is not getting updated. Everything else is like fine. So I'm able to create a new page and everything, but just here it's asking me to request for a membership. Otherwise, normally it shows me the block here inside the shared tab.
That doesn't matter.
Yeah. This is open. As long as it stays open, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Right.
So fucking loud.
Hello, Neil.
Yeah.
I think this edit invoice with the target changes is a bit more complicated than I thought. Actually, we have already a ghost user or a user associated with the invoice, right?
Yeah.
So if we'll change that, so we'll have to change the entire ID of the user and everything.
What are you talking about? No. All you do, we already have a screen for selecting and creating ghost users, correct?
Yeah, so I'll have to route the user back to those screens again.
No, we just
To that flow.
No. Yeah. Yes. When the user selects edit target, we just select a different user and update the model.
Yes, absolutely. So yeah, so that flow, if I tap on this target,
It's
so
the
I'll be
same
taken to
flow as
that flow.
before.
Yeah, the same flow. Yes.
Okay.
So should I just add a cross icon here? So if the target already exists, then the user will first click on the cross and then they'll be able to go to that flow. Because simply just tapping on it will not be helpful.
Sure, you can do that.
Okay. Because
Dude, they're making GPT 4.0 stupider.
Yeah, actually. I mean, if they cannot progress, then they are just regressing. It's great. Okay. Sure. But regress is the opposite of progress. I don't know.
Okay, so Rithik. Mute myself.
Yes, Nick.
Also, I noticed this weird thing with the price field where like the dollar icon is fucked up to the left. Do you see this?
Just a second. Yeah, I'm seeing the screen. Oh, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
you can check the total next step.
Huh?
The total earning tab on wallet skip.
Oh, okay. Where is it? I like this middle one. Cool, very nice. No, say lifetime
Oh.
earnings.
Okay, I have some more here in the below, but I don't think it will work.
And do me a favor, put invoices in front of transactions.
Okay.
Okay, this is what you did with the gym membership.
What I have to name this?
Eh? No, lifetime earnings. Okay, I like the idea you pulled off over here.
Okay.
but it doesn't fit the theme of our app. So I need you to make it take up the whole screen somehow. This is like taking like this middle portion and then the side portion isn't making sense. So try to fix that. And then what I want you to do is look at Notion, right? Like look at the way Notion handles like the creation of a contract, like how it looks. This is kind of what I want our app to look like, or the text, right? Example.
Can you screenshot here?
No, do you see my screen? I'm sharing my screen. Okay, you don't have to follow all these concepts, but just look at the font, right? Like I needed to look more like, currently this looks like this in its own right is got a good design, but it's not fitting the rest of the app. So I needed to fit the whole screen somehow. But it looks cool. And you can't have 52 weeks for a subscription, brother. It needs to be like $1.
Yeah, that's interesting.
It's close though. And what if the contract description is long? You know what I mean? So this is an experiment. It's a cool experiment, but try to finish it out nicely.
Yeah. And here is the upload button in the snap screen. Made it with the two versions.
Make it more evident, and also use like a camera roll icon to upload from. This doesn't make sense to me right now. I'd actually say focus on that right now. And where's your old designs? Because I don't like this. Okay. This is looking weird. I think we'll go with that. All right. So yeah, just come up with a better icon here.
Okay.
Yo, Ritik.
Yes, sir.
This is another thing I want to change. Let me keep. There's a lot of stuff going on, so I'll put it in my journal. Actually, oh, shit. All right. What I want Ritik to do. One is what did I call it? Can merchant transact protect front end and right. And you can find those instructions over here. Okay. Then
In Notion?
don't you see my screen?
No, it's off.
Okay. I'm putting this
Yeah,
in my
now I can see it.
I'm putting this in my document right now, but I want you to do this. What I want Ritik to do: can merchant transact protect front end, and then your instructions are
Okay.
are over here. Okay, you can
Yeah.
find it.
Got it.
Now, second thing is can merchant transact protect front end. Fuck, I just thought about it. What did I forget, dude? Jesus Christ. Huh. Yeah, what did I? Oh yes. Okay, now look at my simulator. All right.
Yeah.
All right. So right now I'm not authenticated, right?
Yes.
And what's happening is, I click on I'm interested and I get taken to this screen. Now,
Yeah.
this is fine on mobile, but it's not good on web because what's happening on web is they're not seeing the welcome screen. Okay.
Okay.
So
Got it.
if I go to, let me go to VS Code. Let me try it this way. Okay, this is gonna take a second.
Yep. Yep.
All right, so now when I go over here, and let's say I want to book this guy's thing, I still get taken over here. Instead, I want it to take me over here, right? And then when I click sign
Yeah,
up,
in the welcome screen.
and then it asks me to do this, I said later, then I get taken here. Now the problem is there's no clean place where we're putting the back button. The back button needs to go here. So what we're using like this check auth redirect method helper. I don't even know. There's like 2-3 different fucking helper methods.
Yeah.
I think we should keep helper methods in their respective. Okay, I guess we're not using it here.
Folders, features.
Yeah, we're not even doing it properly. But I keep on losing it. Routing, helpers. Okay, check auth. We have like 2, I guess. And see, we're putting routing helper. What is this? Check auth state. I think we're using this one everywhere.
Yeah.
Final is.
Can you control dot on it? Can you press control and dot? It's Windows. Command dot maybe. Doesn't have any implementation. I mean, it's not implemented anywhere else.
No, it is.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Anyway, so right now we're sending them to welcome sign up extra previous rate true, but instead we gotta send them to the welcome screen, and the welcome screen needs to have a back button in the appropriate place, and only when you're routing to it, not when it's default. Does that make sense? That's why I think I used this extra previous route true parameter.
Yeah, got it. So, okay.
And basically what
So
I'm
this one would be there in the sign up screen. I will also have to add it in the parameters for welcome screen. Probably it wouldn't be there. It might not be there. So, okay, understood.
And basically the reason we're doing that is we want to encourage people to download the app.
Yep.
And be careful because it's working like really well right now in its current state. Fix check off.
Okay.
Don't make sure it still works after that to go to welcome screen where user post the app. Okay, so yeah, these two things I'm gonna send you on Teams, but you can check it in my journal. And then you're working on blockchain features. You're still on this to do?
Yeah. So I'm just configuring the select person screen to better accommodate both the scenarios, create and edit.
Hey, Rohit, I just came up with an idea. For some reason, you keep on giving me a shitty cash tab icon. I don't know why. It's like so interesting how you can make designs great in one place and then in another place is repeatedly something incorrect. But that being said, what was I talking about? You gave me this. You're using this like dollar icon square thing. Instead, let me see what it looks like with like this icon. Use this icon. Okay.
Okay. In that square or just icon?
Replace the square with that icon and make it fit and look nice. Did you make any recent pushes to the code?
Yeah, I did.
I don't. Where? Okay, that.
Yes, yes.
Wait, what the fuck? Didn't I set a price for this? We're gonna have to update the happening screen. Yeah, the price field is like really messed up. I don't know why. It's like completely butchered.
With the placement of the dollar sign.
It's just like whatever. You'll notice it when you look at it.
Okay. So that.
Piece of shit. Oh, I'm an idiot. What the fuck? That's exactly what it is, bro. Bro, what the fuck are you talking about? Oh shit. Yo, what the fuck? Contest Stripe account. Status valid. Damn it, I wrote some dumb code yesterday. Error in can transact. The fuck are you talking about? Stripe control. What the shit? It's not a function. Yes, it is. It is a fucking function. Your Stripe account status valid. User.stripe merchant account ID. Is Stripe merchant account ID. Bro, user merchant is not disabled. It's not a function. Fuck. Right. Huh? What are you talking about? Hey, Ritik, I also need a text size limit on the contract card. You don't have to show the whole thing.
Okay. Size limit.
Yeah?
Oh, so for the description,
Yeah.
because of it, I think the card is getting too big. So what's the ideal thing like? Should it be at max 3 lines, and then it should start ellipsing, something like that?
Yeah.
I've replaced the cache type with the token.
Try putting a white box around this.
Like, I have to remove.
Yeah, put a white box around it.
Okay.
Or why don't? Yeah, and also you see what the color scheme you did here? Just put a fucking that color scheme of a dollar icon over that icon with the white background. Try that too.
Which color scheme?
Dude, I want you to stop picking. Yeah. Put a dollar icon with that same pink, whatever gradient we have.
Okay.
What are you working on right now, Rithik?
Yeah, so I am still on the edit invoice thing.
What?
The edit invoice
Why
feature.
is it taking so long?
Because so it's making me update the create invoice and other previous implementations as well.
Why?
So earlier, the create invoice screen, I only redesigned it, so I didn't mess up with the controller logic and everything. But due to that, the fact was that create invoice screen controller had all the methods for fetching the ghost users, fetching the profiles, and all that stuff.
So why can't you just copy that
So
over?
yeah, so instead of copying it, I'm thinking of making the select person screen a standalone page which will have all these things because wherever else, if I want to do it, if we decide to select a user from any other page in future,
You're over engineering it.
is it?
Yeah, this could have been done in 5 minutes if you just copy pasted the code.
Yeah, but then like that would have been a mess later on. So that's why. So what I'm doing is I'm just making the select person screen
No,
like
see, here's the problem.
the
Here's the problem.
default.
You think, look, now whether what I'm saying is true or not, I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna say it, and you can think about what I'm saying and whatever, right?
Yeah.
By creating the centralized widget, you think you're making something simpler, but the problem is now you have two different screens that are listening to another piece of code. And if I need to make
Yeah.
particular cases to one piece of code, I'm going to have to make sure it doesn't fuck up the other one. So it's better to just copy paste it from the first one to the second one and call it a day, because it takes 5 minutes and then we can move on to the other 100 things that we need to do right now. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Right.
So
Yeah, it does. But so yeah, but your point is valid. But what I'm doing is I'm just passing. I'm just taking back the profile or the host profile
okay, fine,
back to
whatever.
the.
Do what you want to do for this one, but for the future ones, don't spend so
Okay.
much time on these trivial matters, because the truth is we have no idea what's actually optimal code right now because we're still in the beginning. So don't focus so much on optimization. Just make clean, readable, easily editable code that's not interwoven between a bunch of different fucking widgets.
Okay. Got it.
Anyway.
Will you keep the back door open?
What?
Will you keep the back door open?
What time are those kids coming here?
Around 10-ish, I think.
I'll be here before that.
Okay. I'll also try.
Good night. Yeah. What? Yeah, use a better cache icon.
Can you tell me like how you actually want it?
I'm just. This is like. I know what looks good and what doesn't look good, and everything you made for this particular thing doesn't look good. I don't know why.
I don't know why I am also not getting to find it properly.
There's like a bunch of examples online, like Cash Apps, UX, okay, images. Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna have to add this feature soon. Dude, here's what I'm thinking actually. We can easily add a Cash App feature with the invoice thing now. We just create the invoice after the fact. And the other beautiful thing is you don't even need to like have an account. Holy shit.
With the help of the ghost user.
Yeah, for the cash, we can just like we can put in a price and then hit pay, and then if they're logged in, we put them in the user ID field, and if they're not logged in, we just put in a ghost user. And theoretically, then any user can just like start accepting payments.
I didn't get that.
Wait, who said that?
Repeat.
Okay, doesn't whatever. Maybe if we finish all the.
Because like this is like uh, in Hindi we say it ऊपर ऊपर से अच्छा लग रहा है नीचे से I mean if we do if like at the top layer of it is fine but the in depth if I think about it then it starts to confuse me.
All we're doing is creating an invoice, basically, in a different from a different UX perspective, but it's the same backend object.
Oh, okay, so it makes invoices. Got it. I thought it directly sends money directly to someone.
No, like
I was
you
thinking in
go to
that
that
sense.
you go to that icon and you click on their
Yeah.
profile page, and then you just type in a number
Okay.
and you hit pay, and then it creates an invoice.
For the person you want to pay to. Okay.
Right, and then once you leave, if you leave the page without paying it, it just turns canceled, maybe.
Okay.
Or I don't know. I'll think about it. Don't worry about it right now. Ritik, just find a good looking cache icon. Like this color gradient's not working. Honestly, just make it black. Make it black. How do I do this?
Good.
Yeah, just make it black.
Okay.
Put a border around it. Black border. Yeah. Still looks like shit. Make it orange, like this other orange. Try that. Keep this. This might look good. I don't know. You try it on a different one. God damn it! I gotta go to sleep soon. Ritik, there's a lot of things. It's Tuesday right now. A lot of things, like most of the hard work is done. It's a lot of little things right now. We need to deliver these little things faster. I think you're muted.
Yeah. Understood.
All right. All right, yo, Ritik, look at my screen.
Yes, yes.
Stop. Don't say only if one time. This is true for package, but it's not true for subscription. It has to be greater than 0. So yeah. And also, put a button here that checks if I can do it or not. Create a contract with the price. If it has a price, remember it needs to check the this method that I'm implementing right now.
Yeah. So you want another button?
Huh?
This same button should be disabled.
No, dude. It should if my contract has a price,
Yeah.
if any object I'm creating has a price, when I hit the create button or the edit button, it needs to check whether
Yeah,
I'm
understood. So that should be happening in the same on tap of the create contract button.
exactly. And it should also
Yes.
happen on the edit screens. If I edit it to 0, then it shouldn't there should be no worries, it shouldn't check.
Yeah.
Okay.
0, or if the field is empty, then it should just proceed or check other stuff which is required.
Right. Because we want the user to witness these things, but if there's certain permissions that they're not satisfying, we don't want them to necessarily do it. Nice. It's reacting very well, pal. So good stuff there.
So this is weird.
Huh?
No, I'm saying it. So there's some issue with the user selection actually.
After you've centralized everything and try to make it optimal.
Yeah.
Yeah, no shit. Brother. Can you honestly just revert whatever the fuck you did and just do what I'm saying? Or what do you think?
No, actually, I'm like way deep in this thing. So it's a small issue, maybe just an index issue.
I guarantee. I'm just thinking about it now. I can already tell it's overcomplicated.
No, it's not. It's not. Trust me.
Okay. Oh wait, shit. I just realized something.
Okay. Very nice. All right. Oh wait, fuck. Six. Fuck. Shit. And transact. Enter one-time web. Can enter. Enter one-time mobile. Oh shoot, dude! I just realized there's like a slight logical difference between contract subscriptions and contract packages.
Okay.
So basically,
Contract descriptions and contract packages.
no, fuck. All right. So basically, like you see my contract packages.
Mm.
We need to check can transact with merchant, and then for contract
Packages,
subscriptions,
subscriptions. Yeah.
we need to check can enter a contract, which is slightly different. Oh fucking poop. All right. Basically, one-time transactions are basically like everything else. Subscription transactions, you absolutely need a Stripe account because I haven't set up the logic for it to work without it, and I'm not going to. Just because I'm that lazy. But you understand what I mean?
Yeah. Uh, you said one-time transactions need a price. That wasn't the case earlier. It was like subscriptions need a price.
Subscriptions need a price. I'm not saying that they. I'm not saying about. I'm saying if a contract is a package and has a price,
Yeah.
then
Okay, then
you need
it
to check
needs a
this
merchant account.
condition. It needs to check this condition. And if the contract is subscription and has a price, it needs to check another condition, which is stricter, which is basically saying you absolutely need a Stripe account, no matter if the gay rule is enabled or not.
Yes.
Oh fuck! Actually, never mind. I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm wrong. Wait. Yeah, okay. I guess not actually. Fuck it. You gotta check this other condition. Basically, to create contracts, you need can enter paid with contract. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
Yikes. Alright. Jeez. True. User. Yeah. That's not fucking correct. Or is it? What's so funny is my mom's getting a crazy amount of text messages saying, go on, they sent you an invoice. Because they keep on using your number.
Oh, so it's sending the real SMS to the
Probably.
real numbers.
Probably.
Okay. I'm not creating any new invoices, but I'm just
Fucking shit. Okay, no, that's correct. all working well. All right. Tested happenings, tested programs, tested contracts, tested invoices. All right. All right. All right, I pushed my methods for I added 2 methods of Stripe repository, which is can enter contract with merchant and check can transact with merchant. For the price fields for the price and pay fields on the contract screens, you need to use this contract with merchant method instead of the transact with merchant method.
Okay.
All right. And
so for the happenings and everything, I have to use transact with merchant, and for contracts and invoices, I have to use contract with merchant.
yeah, let me show it to you. Where is it? Yeah, in this controller contract repository. No. Stripe, I think. Stripe. These 2 methods.
Okay, so can enter contract with merchant cap.
And it only has to deal with paid objects. So from the creating and editing side and from the paying side. From the paying side, you need to show the appropriate pop-up widget. From the
creating and editing side,
they need to show the appropriate pop-up message, and they should be redirected to the wallet screen where they can set up a Stripe account.
Okay, yeah, because the end user cannot do anything, so they'll be just seeing the pop-up and they can just wait.
Yeah, until this guy sets it up. Now,
Yeah.
a lot of the hard things are done between you and I. Like the UX is there, but there's a lot of little things. So I need you to. I added a lot of little things over here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mention you. And then there's also in the journals, which is all this stuff. And yeah, that's basically. I'm gonna put this over here too. Make it one place. I think you already have it.
Yeah, I'm updating it as you were saying it.
It seems a little bit overwhelming, but
yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yes.
It's disorganized. That's why, but it's actually not that bad.
Yep, that's right. And it's also a duplicate, so.
Okay. Now, it's 52. Shit. Hey, this one's not bad. Rohit.
Which one?
That's whatever. Honestly, like. Wait, can you use like a coin symbol instead?
I have created a coin symbol with.
No, like kind of like Bitcoin, but not like Bitcoin. I'm gonna make my own crypto at some point, so. Like look at Ethereum coin logo. Like you see this? Like this is a coin, right? Ethereum. Okay, let's try Ethereum. Okay, coin logo. And then there's the Bitcoin coin logo, which I don't want to use. Yeah, you know what? Why don't you just use this Ethereum symbol?
Okay. Like
Something like this.
to replace the dollar with the symbol.
No, like the coin. Yeah, use the whole coin there inside the box.
Okay. Earlier I have created this.
No, it has to be a square, but a coin inside the
Okay.
square.
Okay.
And then okay, wait. This is my parent company over here. The website's kind of shit, but I have this logo name, One Ape. So I want you to create like
Yeah.
a logo for this brand. Maybe something like this.
Okay. But I'm not that good in creating logos.
Then forget about it. All right, Ritik, please. We need to get this stuff done. Try to finish all these things today. Take some coffee, and let's have a meeting tomorrow. All right. Good night.
Yes. Okay. Good night. Good night.